Innovate and excel with Nallas. At Nallas, we specialize in delivering top-tier data, cloud, product, and quality engineering services designed to propel your business forward. Transform your data into a strategic asset. Harness the power of our data engineering services to convert raw data into valuable insights, driving informed decisions and business growth. From integration and transformation to analytics and governance, we make your data work for you. Optimize your cloud infrastructure. Leverage our cloud engineering expertise to enhance your cloud infrastructure. We ensure seamless migration, efficient cloud-native solutions, and robust operations, providing your business with the scalability and agility needed to stay ahead. Bring ideas to life quickly. From concept to market, our product engineering services turn your innovative ideas into reality with speed and precision. Whether it's new product development, modernization, or rapid innovation, we support your vision every step of the way. Ensure reliability and security. Our quality engineering services guarantee that your products are reliable, secure, and perform at their best. With advanced test automation, security, and performance testing, we help you maintain a competitive edge in your industry. Partner with Nallas to excel in your industry. Visit our website or contact us at info@nallas.com to learn more about how we can help your business thrive.